Okay, so for seated reverse arches, you probably have already, if you're doing this variation, done seated arches, which is where there's a couple of variations. Either we're reaching one hand back and one hand forward, or we're just pulling one arm back and sending the other hand forward, and we're feeling how movement and rhythm of the upper body generates movement and rhythm through the lower body. However, that's not exactly how it happens when we walk, because during seated arches, as I reach my left hand forward, my left hip also goes forward, and vice versa. When I reach my right hand forward, my right hip goes forward, which you can see because my right knee is now in front of my left knee. When we walk, it actually happens in the opposite way. If I was to walk exactly how those arches made me move just then, it would mean that as my right hand went forward, my right hip would go forward. It would be like this, and that's not how we walk. So seated reverse arches are where we're going to do the opposite with our hips and our pelvis that we do with our shoulders. So as I reach my right hand forward, it feels easy and nice for my right knee to go forward. But what I'm going to do in this variation is I'm going to send my left knee forward. So I'm doing the opposite with my upper body and lower body. And as I reach my other hand forward, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm reaching my left hand to touch the wall in front of me and my right knee to touch the wall in front of me. So what we're now getting is gait-like or walking-like movement, whereas my upper body and my shoulder goes forward through the spine, we get opposite movement happening at the pelvis and the legs, which is exactly what happens when we walk. When my right arm swings through, my right shoulder reaches forward, my left side of my pelvis reaches forward. We get that opposition, exactly how we walk.